Good morning, everybody. Today is Cars and Coffee, Highland Cars and Coffee. We're going to High Street, Phoenix. We're meeting up with some of the guys up there. The lineup is gonna be pretty crazy today. I think we're bringing 6 cars. I could be wrong. This thing on the startup is nasty. Listen to how loud this thing is. For a Ferrari Roma, that's insanely loud. Damn, you look good in that thing. Woo! Dude, it's packed today.
I got here at like 7:05 and
That's like when I woke up.
that was really?
Pretty much.
I mean, that's fair.
We brought the lineup today. Obviously, I'm in the Bentley Flying Spur. Josh's Carbon Aventador right there. Ferrari Roma getting parked. And we also have a Lamborghini Revolta that we did. Gary's red one that you guys saw on the YouTube a little while ago. We also have our Sequoia Blue Exposed Carbon 720S Spider. Yeah, looking good so far, and turnout is insane.
The carbon sensor bezel? That's
sick,
cool, boy. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about the Alcantara suede deal, but this one came out good. It was the white Aventador.
Yeah.
Today, here we are at Highland Cars and Coffee.
Hey, I dressed for the Bentley, and he's like, I want the Bentley. I was like, hey, I'm in silver though.
Hey, I had a Red Bull the entire time, and it was cooled in the cup holder.
Oh,
Yours
man.
is probably warm. Yeah, mine was cold. Mine was ice cold. I just got here. Yeah. All right. I'll see you.
Why'd you bring you?
G-Wagon.
Did you find Santa Cats?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Hey, I see you. Is that size, Solari? Is that size?
That's me.
Hey, later. We made it back safely. All the cars are good. We had lots of fun. The turnout was incredible, as you guys saw. This time around, we brought a lot of cars to Highland. We had some customer cars there as well. We had that Sequoia Huracan that was really cool. That was a lot of your guys' fan favorites. We always love going to Highline Cars and Coffee in the morning. The turnout is amazing. The people are even better. You guys love seeing the cars, especially out as well. We try to do that as much as we can, obviously, with keeping the miles low and keeping the cars in good condition. Since you guys made it this far, I want to talk a little bit more about YouTube. So we're obviously going to be posting a lot more here. If you guys want to see anything in specific, more behind the scenes, more shows like this, more of the cars, whatever you guys want to see, let us know down in the comment section below. If you guys want to see something in specific, we will try our absolute best to get that done for you guys. Also, November 1st, 5 p.m., 8 p.m., all of our SEMA cars will be revealed in this very showroom right here. We have 5 cars being unveiled with tons more cars that are going to be parked around the shop. So not only will you see these cars, but you'll also see all of our SEMA projects that we are bringing to SEMA or Las Vegas in about a month. We're gonna have some pretty big names there, some people that you guys will be very familiar with. So if you love cars, you love modified cars, this is the event to be at. We hope to see you guys there.